Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add blank page in Miss Word. We will open the Word document to see the content. After this, place the cursor where the blank page will go. First, we will go to the Insert menu, and there we will click on Blank Page. You can see your blank page ready to be used. As an extra method, place the cursor on the page, and then from the Insert menu, you will click on Page Break. This will add the blank page in Word. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.